So if I were to go around onto this particular image right here and click on this, then you can see that I immediately can see the preview for this particular image easily without much loading time. That is because everything is actually being stored in cache by Bridge. And you can actually go around and set how much space you want to use for cache so that it can load up the previews easily right here when you actually go around and go for previewing images just like this. So to do that, you need to go around onto the edit menu and then go around onto preferences right here. And once you go around onto preferences, you can go to cache, and here you can see that right now we are allowing 35 gigabytes of storage space as cache size. But I can go ahead and give, let's say for example, 50 gigabytes as well. And here you can see that it says keep 100% previews in cache as an option. Once you keep 100% previews, that means the full quality of the image is actually stored in cache, and the preview that you see is full quality. But you can also go around and have a compact size reminder right here so that the cache size is taken less. You can also go around over here and disable this so that you don't keep 100%. But whenever you see previews, you are not actually seeing full quality previews if you were to actually go around and disable this. You can also go around and purge the cache older than 30 days, let's say for example when the Bridge is idle, and in 30 days it deletes out the old cache, meaning when it freshly loads out those particular content again, then it does take time again to preview. You can go ahead and limit out the size right here because sometimes you don't know what your hard disk space is actually occupying, and the cache may be one of the content that is actually occupying the space as you are setting it out. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the cache settings inside of Adobe Bridge and define how you want to utilize cache and how much storage space you want to utilize, give the cache space for of your hard drive inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.